Hi, good afternoon, everybody. How are you doing? By the way, this is Lulu Chef Mashpo. I've got something for you guys. Look at this. Pak, Kembot, Pick Pak Boom. Alright, guys, what is that? It's a cabbage. As usual, I separate the cabbage. In-steam ko yan. And then, 1, 2, 3, go! Jadan! Alright, I will tell you guys. This is a pork ground beef. In Tagalog, giniling. So, ginisa ko yung giniling. Normally, you know naman na how does it works, right? So, I got the pork ground beef from the fridge and I thawed. After I thawed, I put on the hot frying pan. As in, super hot. Kailangan kasi ganun guys para maayos yung luto. And then, that's the time doon ko ilalagay yung ground beef. Okay? So, pagka nag-simmer na siya, yung tipong naririnig mo na yon, that's the time you will put the ground beef, yung giniling. And then, syempre, di ba sabi ko, lalagyan ko siya ng hot water. So, papakuluin ko pa rin siya ng konti. That's the time, hanggat sa maubos yung sabaw, doon ko na ilalagay yung pepper. And after that, I will mix the onion, garlic, and yung ground beef, ayan na. So, separate ko niluto yung ni-steam ko yung cabbage. That's the cabbage, guys. Yan. And then, meron siyang beans. Nilagay ko na yung Baguio beans on top. Guys, look at the way I cut the onion. Not the not the quarter cutting. Kung hindi yung big cuts yan. Brown and big. Alright? Kasi para pag niluto mo maganda, arty-arty, diba? And look at this, guys. Jaran! Whoop! That's the pancit canton. Separate ko rin. In-steam ko. Guys, did you see that on top? Garlic yan. Garlic, yung parang mga chili flakes, something like that. So, it's a garlic sauce. Nasa ibabaw yan. Para pag minix ko mamaya together with this, I'm gonna use my fork and my bread knife. So, magiging ganito kakalabasan niya. And then, I add mayonnaise on top. Kasi guys, parang salad na yan ang dating. So, ito na yung separately rice ko. Pancit canton, okay? And then, syempre, breakfast, lunch ko to. Guys, hindi pa ako makain talaga, promise. So, ayan yung egg ko na ginawa ko scramble. So, gusto ko well done lahat. Ayan na siya. Alright. Ganda, di ba? Yummy, yummy. So, ganun lang, guys. It's a ground beef based on the cabbage. That's the cabbage. Steam. And then, mix of the pancit canton. Separately, ni-steam ko lang yan, guys. Pero may timpla yan. May pepper and salt. Tapos, nilagyan ko lang siya ng chili flakes on top. Para yung ginagamit sa siomai. Okay, speaking of siomai, guys. Guys, we have a family business. My sister, meron siyang siomai king. So, guys, I will vlog that sooner. Kasi kukunin ko lang yung items. Meron siyang siomai king. Nag-franchise siya sa JC Premier. Ngayon, guys, yung siomai king, meron siyang siomai Shanghai siomai, Japanese siomai, and then meron din siyang pork siomai, and then there's another one I forgot. So meron yun, guys. I will show that to you. So by the way, this is my my lunch, breakfast, lunch, and merienda probably. So I can add probably bread. All right, and look at this. That's my drinks, and then the cup. Actually, Vivian cold. And then, Ben, I'm gonna call you back after this. And Tita Yvonne, she called as well. Guys, this is my pineapple fruits. Alright, and this is my music. Look, it's a Peter Person Michael E. remix. And the title is, what's the title? This Way to a Dream. Hani pa no? Nasa beach siya, tapos naglagay siya ng parang hammock ba tawag dyan? Duyan. Galing Alright. Let's go back again. Guys, I would like to shout out Jericho. By the way, guys, Jericho is my office mate when I was in the membership of the hotel. And he has a good personality. He has a classy look. Like me, I should say, I have a classy look as well. Pareho kami, guys. Siya yung male version ko. And he's a nice and kind. So, meaning to say, nice and kind din ako. Diba, guys, ayun yung lagi kong sinasabi. Always be nice and kind. Kasi, guys, mag-ano yan eh. Magduduplicate yan. Sa sarili mo, sa family mo, sa kaibigan mo, and everybody. Okay? So, Jericho, just keep on what you're doing. And then, shout out to Donna. Kasi tatlo kami, meron kaming M group. Hindi ko na lang mention ko ano yung M group. Kasi si Jericho nagpangalan na eh. And then, to Tita Yvonne naman, tumawag siya. Siya yung nanay-nanayan ko. Hello, Tita Yvonne. I told you, I'm gonna call you back. Guys, she has a good personality. I met her when we were together with Papa Chris at the Knightsbridge Residences. Tita Yvonne, Tito Rix, I miss you. And Tita Liz. Guys, ayan yung mga nakatirang, alam mo na, mga solid talaga Knightsbridge Residences yan, na mga taong nakatira doon. And then, mga milyonaryo yan, guys. Milyonaryo sa pagmamahal, milyonaryo sa, iniba ko lang kunyari, tita, pero yun yun. Milyonaryo sa pagmamahal, sa pag-advise, and then, sa happiness, milyonaryo rin. Tita Yvonne, I miss the way we talk on the, you know, personally, on the phone, and even on Viber. I learned a lot from you guys. Tapos, ang galing ni Tito Rix magbilyar, pero natalo siya. Kami ni Tita Yvonne nanalo kasi may partner na iba si Tito Ricky, si Tita Liz. So kami magpartner ni Tita Yvonne, kami nanalo. Sorry, alam mo naman, nakalaban mo si female version of Efren Bata. Hi Efren Bata. So I wanna shout you out kasi mamimit ko rin ulit yan. Namit ko yan before eh. Sa Manhan, yun, wala pa ako sa Knightsbridge. So namit ko na siya doon. And then, ang gagawin ko guys is like this. I will shout out again all my friends from Knightsbridge Residences, my office mates from the hotel, and then what else? My classmate when we were in high school, elementary, and college. And then guys, by the way, I just want to say something. I have a quote. Nabasa ko kanina to sa Amazing Leader. Kasi guys, marami ko mga group na sinasalinan yung 5 AM Club, kay Robin Sharma. I'm following Oprah, Trump, and then Ellen DeGeneres, tapos si Will Smith. Marami mga big tycoon people sinusundan ko. And then guys, may nabasa ko kanina. Kasi morning guys, I'm reading yung mga motivational. Nandun na rin yung mga God-fearing. Tapos nandun na rin yung motivational for yourself, for your family, for your friends, sa business. Guys, ito. Amazing Leader quote. Alright? Patience is not about waiting, but it's the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Di ba may kasabihan, patience is a virtue? Ito naman guys, parang maganda nga yung sinabi na patience is not about waiting eh. Di ba kailangan patience is a virtue? Ulitin ko ulit. It's about the ability of yourself to keep a good attitude while you were waiting. Ang ganda, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nung guys, while you were waiting, and while you keep on, you know, like, yung patient mo, di ba? Lagi mong kinikip, dahil sinasabi nga is a virtue. Kasi later on, guys, you will see your attitude, and while you were waiting, it's gonna be a big bang boom. Maganda yung kalalabasan nun. Kaya maganda yung sinabing ganon. And then, I would like to shout out Jericho, diba, and Donna. And then, si Johnson Mark. Sana siya sa US. He's also my friend on Facebook. And he's very young. He looks like 29. Same with you, Jericho. And then, shout out to Ma'am Jen from the Century Properties. He's another boss. Kasi may pinabebenta rin siya sa aking condo. Kasi guys, sa panahon ngayon, lahat ng mga tao nagbebenta ng condo. Tapos yung iba naman bumibili. Correct? And then shout out to Sir Ray Salvador kasi he's a good leader and he's my boss of Century Properties. Same thing with shout out to Mr. Antonio Jeba, and then to his son Robbie Antonio. And then I really love working at the Century Properties, guys. Kasi doon ko na-meet si Christopher, doon ko na-meet si Sir Rupert, shoutout to Rupert, and then shoutout to Jeff from the HMC. Kasi Jeff, without you, I cannot meet Christopher, I cannot meet Antonio, I cannot meet Tita Yvonne and Tita Lit. So I'm really proud of you guys. And then Jeff, meron akong business proposal sa'yo, alam mo na yun. And then shoutout also to Joy from Hotel Dynamics. Kasi si Joy sa hotel siya, competitor namin sa HMC. So she's now working at Accor. And then shoutout to my friends and classmates ko nung high school na I had a great time last night. And babe, Edwin, and then kay Willie, kumain kami dun sa Inasal. They treat me, nagpalabok lang ako. Tapos nag-enjoy kami, puro sila tawa. Ewan ko ba, kahit naman sino makasama ko, tawa ng tawa. Kasi alam mo yan, kahit si Arnel Ignacio, sabi niya, Lu, napapatawa mo ako. Isa ibig sabihin, magaling ka magpatawa. Thank you, Nel. And then, si Marvin, shout out, tumawag kahapon. Bikoy, tumawag si Marvin from Nueva Ecija. Shout out to your mother, to your brother. And then sa friend niya, kay James, nag-subscribe sila. Thank you for subscribing. Si Vince. And then who else? Boss Rupert. So guys, ito lang ang sasabihin ko, guys, I know how to appreciate a person, situation. Shout out to my family. Thank you for helping me, guys. Kasi later on naman, probably I'm gonna help you. Ito nga, guys, di ba nasunog yung bahay namin? So naghahanap ako ng sponsor na bale mo, may mamit ako one of these days. Parang gagawin ko 60-40. Para ano mga ginagawa ng iba. Kung pwede lang si Sir Antonio, kakausapin ko eh. Owner ng Century Properties, Trump Tower, Milano Residences, Knightsbridge Residences, and then Trump Tower, what else? Century by Commonwealth, Spire, and then marami, guys. Talagang ang ganda ng mga building nila. Kaya I'm so proud to be part of the Century Properties. So paano, guys? Medyo marami na akong na-mention. And then Tita Yvonne, I miss yung nagbibilyar tayo, kumakanta tayo talagang to the max. Thank you for having the red wine. Tapos nag-enjoy sila, guys. Pati si Tita Lita, tawa ng tawa. We shake our body there. We move. We talk. Anything. And then RB High. Si RB, guys, anak ni Tita Yvonne and Tito Rex. And she's the parang makeup artist of Chris Aquino. RB, when I met you at the Knightsbridge, you're so gorgeous. You're beautiful. You're motivated. And I want to be like you. You know? Kasi guys, mas gusto, sabi nga nila, dumikit ka raw sa mga powerful people or even on the coast, lagi mong basahin. Kasi para you can have a powerful mindsetting. Totoo yun. Ganun yun, guys. What goes around comes around. Pag meron kang ambition, guys, matutupad dyan. Kaya ako, nagpapasalamat ako, na-meet ko si Papa Chris, he's a pilot, and he has, he has his own Learjets, tapos ang dami kong natutunan. Siyempre, mga kapatid ko, tinulungan nila ako, and so forth like that. And then, yung mga family ko, I love you, you know that. Kaya guys, tama yung sinasabi nila, we live to the fullest, always be grateful, always be thankful, kasi guys, magre-reciprocate lahat yan eh. Tama yung sinabi ni Jericho. Grabe pag nag-usap kami ni Jericho. Kulang na lang umaga, tanghali, gabi. Pag nagkita kami, pero ang dami niyang natututunan sa akin. Ang dami ko ring natututunan. Kaya I'm appreciated if I have a good friend, great friends, family, relatives, and all. Guys, Biko shoutout to to Maranan. May order akong Biko sa 21. Dalawa yon, isang bibingka, isang Biko. Thank you for doing that. Kasi bibigyan ko din siya ng tip. And then meron din siyang Biko. May negosyo na tayo. May Biko pa tayo. Masaya pa tayo, di ba? Next. O, paano guys? I'm getting hungry. Kasi I didn't take my breakfast. And even my lunch. So that's why I'm gonna have in a while. Okay? So, paano guys? Bon appetit. Hasta la vista, baby. Hey guys, always take care of yourself, okay? And then let's pray maayos lahat, and then Christmas and New Year are coming. So magiging maganda lahat ang 2021 natin all over the world. We're wishing all the best, good health, good relationship, and the most important is love one another and be kind to one another and nice. Okay? Paano guys? I love you and have a great day. Hasta la vista, baby.